Just picked up this disposal from an Ace that's closing. Originally 120 bucks, paid 40 for it. So I've never put one in, but how hard can it be? So let's go on this journey. Looks pretty self-explanatory. Might be able to get away with using the P-trap I have. So first look, this piece is going to be replacing this piece. So I just got to get this in here. No, should probably grab a towel for that. Gross. Right, I'm gonna put it on the side. I did not take apart. Okay, after a decent amount of struggling, that was on there ridiculously tight. The bottom removed. I should just pop right out. Gross. Next, let's take this apart so we can put this in. After you got them loose, there's this little ring right here. You pop it out. Pop it the right way. It's like a little retaining clip. You can take these off. Cleaned it up pretty nice. I'm not too worried. It's a rubber seal. Fits down in there, nice. Now I gotta go from underneath, put that one in, this one in, and then this retaining clip. That was a lot harder to get that ring on for me than I thought it was going to. Right now I'm just hand tightening all of these screws. I'm gonna check the top. Gasket's still in a good spot. Now I'm gonna go ahead and tighten the screws all the way. I got them on there, they're all pretty tight. So hopefully that'll be good. Gotta open up the electrical, see what we're working with here. Pull these wires out. So I'm not wiring this directly into the sink. I'm wiring it to this because I have an outlet under the sink. This is a rental, so I don't want to deal with any of the plumbing. So I'm just going to snake this in, wire it, plug it in, call it a day. Those are nice and heat shrinked and charred up a little bit. Now, got it plugged in, or got a plug on it. Now I'm going to put this bad boy on her. Okay, I got it hooked on. For some reason I was trying to use these clips, but there's clips on the inside. Getting this hose put on. About to plug her in. Yeah, let's go up higher. Okay. I'm gonna fill it up with water right now. I got the stopper in so I can fill it up pretty high. And then I'm gonna open it up and check for leaks. I'm about to open it up and check down here. Check it, all your fittings. Nothing. How fast is it going? Damn. If you like seeing an average man doing average things, just follow. I'm doing this stuff because I don't want to pay someone else to do it. That didn't take me long. It took me about an hour, if that. I was just second guessing myself, and yeah, I'm always gonna do stuff because why pay someone for something you can do? Right, Chopper?